The main idea of this paragraph is stated in the very first statement, which is women in particular benefit from single-sex education, and the rest of the paragraph only validates this argument by giving examples that women in who study in women's colleges, they are the ones who usually go for fields that are typically understood to be male fields, like medical school or receive doctorates in the natural or life sciences, right? They have much higher self-esteem and they score higher in aptitude tests. These are benefits that women receive from single-sex education, are more likely to choose more disciplines, male disciplines such as science and college, and are more successful in their careers, right? So these are only examples. They support the main argument, that is women in particular benefit from single-sex education. So a flaw in this argument would be one that that challenges the very idea that of deriving at this that challenges the very process of deriving at this fact, that is women benefiting from single-sex education. Now look at the options given here. Option A says boys and girls thrive when elements of good education are present. It is silent about how girls are affected in single-sex education environment, and therefore option A has no effect on this particular paragraph, and therefore it can be eliminated. Option B says that according to an analysis, women at women's colleges rate their educational experiences higher than women at co-educational schools. This cannot be a flaw in the argument. This only supports the argument. Therefore, option B can also be eliminated. Option C says, according to a study, just 3% of the college-bound women will even consider attending a women's college. Clearly, the number of people choosing or preferring women's colleges or any particular type of college does not affect the argument at all, and therefore option C is irrelevant. Option D says research made the mistake of not controlling for other characteristics, namely possible socioeconomic privileges of those at women's colleges. Very important point. The given paragraph suggests that women by giving the example of women studying in women's colleges, states that women excel in women's colleges, and from this it derives the main premise, that is women benefit from single-sex education. But if we get to know that why do women excel in women's colleges, the reason for this question should be single-sex education according to the paragraph, but here the reason is that women are given extra socio-economic privileges that women do not get in co-educational colleges. So clearly option D is a flaw in the argument and hence the correct answer.